the machine will come with these metal bars. Place screws into the bottom side of the machine. You do this so you are able to lift the machine with 4 to 6 people. Please do the same on the other side of the machine. Insert the screws to place the metal bars so you can lift the machine. If you have a vacuum, please connect it to here. Then, please prepare an air source from your facility. The air source will go to the left side of the gauge. Please make sure your gauge is pointing between the green dots, which are 0.6 and 0.8 MPa. There are 2 connectors from the chiller. It says spindle coolant inlet and spindle coolant outlet. Inlet from the coolant machine goes into the spindle coolant outlet. Outlet from the coolant machine goes to the spindle coolant inlet. Please make sure that you are not confused. The top connector is coming from the chiller's outlet, but the bottom connector is coming from the chiller's inlet. There is an Ethernet cable on the connection panel for sending milling data to the milling machine, or accessing your machine for future support. There is another cable named as spindle coolant unit alarm input. Please connect this cable to here. This one is for vacuum. If you actually have a cable connected to your vacuum, you can place it right here. So, when the spindle starts working, the machine will activate the vacuum. These are USB sockets for sending files. Or, you can use these to connect with the USB mouse or keyboard. In order to start the machine, please switch the on button. Here is an inlet and outlet on the chiller. Make sure that the inlet goes to the outlet on the machine, and the outlet goes to the inlet on the machine. This is an alarm output that is connected to the machine. And this is a power source. It comes with 2 bottles of chiller liquid. After you pour the chiller liquid, it should be filled up between the normal batteries. So, try to fill up a little bit more than half. In order to pour the liquid into the chiller, please remove the cap on the top of the machine. Then, open the liquid bottle. Put a hopper or funnel into the hole. Then, close the lid.